Tenanted properties. So I've nipped out of the house for 15 minutes while it's still fresh in my head because I wanted to do this video and talk a little bit about gardens that are tenanted properties. Now, I used to work for a local estate agent in the letting side, so I've dealt a lot with sort of deposits, you know, bonds and things, gone between tenants and landlords, and it can be an absolute nightmare. But that's no concern really to the gardener. Quick disclaimer, so when I'm saying tenanted properties and the three that I've done, I am talking about move outs. So when the tenants are moving out, they're getting me in to do the gardens and basically tidy it up so they can get the deposit back. I do have other clients, regular clients that you know, rent the properties, and that's all well and good. So specifically I'm talking about tenancy move out. So basically I just wanted to sort of go through a few thoughts and stuff that I've been having. So I've just earlier on today I gave a quote to tidy the front and back garden. It was left in a horrible state. The quote was 350 quid including waste, and they came back because I sent them a text message a little bit later on, and they said it's okay, we'll leave it. It's kind of what I thought. They're basically wanting to, well, they're moving out in I think 2 or 3 weeks time. They said, and they're wanting to get the garden and the house kind of back up to standard. It was minging. The house he took us through to the back. House was a tip, stunk of dog, and it was just it was horrible. So that got us thinking a few kind of questions, and so a deposit is usually made up of the first month's rent plus £100, generally speaking. The house I've just been to, the rent was probably in the region of about 500 quid, so you're probably looking at £600-700 deposit. Like, when I saw the state of the garden, I thought this is going to be a big one. It was taking everything away. There was bits of rubbish as well, which I kind of wanted removing. So immediately I was thinking, well, I'm not doing this for less than 300 quid. Got home, spoke to my girlfriend a little bit, kind of like mulled it over, and she says, why, I'd be sticking an extra 50 quid on easy just for your hassle, you know. They've got dogs and stuff as well. The grass was a bit longer. It's the old dog poo scenario in it as well. So yeah, so I said 350 quid, knowing that they'll probably not want to go ahead with it, because if you think about it, they're getting me in just so they get the deposit back. Say the deposit is 700 quid, 600 quid, you know, and then the house, they're going to have to probably get it cleaned, and you're going to probably spend £600-700 just to get that back. So I thought, well, they're never going to go ahead with it. But as I say, that kind of posed a few questions, so I wanted to do this video again just to see you know, what you guys have kind of had in relation to this. Now, I did a similar one during the summer, tenants were moving out, and it was fine. It was only £100 job. It was like just to trim and cut the grass, basically. It got a bit long. No problems, got paid and all the rest of it. But I thought, like, 350 quid there. Like, what if they got me in to do the job and didn't pay? Now, this could happen. You know, this isn't just like a kind of a tenanted property. This could happen in any job, really. But my thinking was, like, they might move out. Well, they are moving out. I don't know where they're moving to. They could just get me in, not pay us, move out, and then where'd you go from there, kind of thing. So has anyone had any sort of situations like that where there's been, you know, a lot of bother? Because I think I was being a little bit cynical, really. So it was like quite a rough estate. House and garden were a tip anyway. Big job, 350 quid. The cynic and has kind of said, well, they could just get you to do it and then do a runner. Probably not. He was all right, to be fair. He wasn't, you know, he wasn't that bad. So yeah, so what are your experiences of it? Actually, tell a lie, I think I've done 3 tenanted ones, not just the one, and they were all fine. It's just with the big price, that was all. I don't feel like you can ask for the money up front personally. Do any of you guys do? That would be interesting to know. What sort of safety measures can you kind of put in place to, you know, to almost make sure you get paid? I guess you kind of guarantee it, can you? And as I say, it's not just the you know, the tenanted properties as well. It could go for anyone. Difference is the chance not to be moving out, whereas the tenants will be. So that's the issue really. Short and sweet again. Pop your comments below. I've got a full channel if you're interested in all this gardening stuff, and the allotment side as well. I've got loads of stuff. Go and check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.